Alright, this is the unboxing of the Refresh LED Energetic Daylight Light Bulb. Okay, this is a 75 watt replacement. So it replaces a 75 watt regular light bulb, incandescent light bulb, but it only uses 15 watts per hour. That's a huge saving when it comes to getting output. Now the LED light, this is about like 10 bucks that I got right here, but it shines really bright, almost like a diamond. All right, shine light, you don't get it. Anyway, right here it talks about how it's a dimmable. It has dimming performance. It may vary, but it is definitely dimmable. Now it shows you what the estimated cost is for this light bulb in a given year. So it would only cost you $1.81 in energy per year, as opposed to if you had a regular incandescent light bulb, you'd spend maybe 5-10 times as much. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and let you see what it is. Comes in this fancy little packaging, and I'm guessing for 10 bucks, it should come like on a Brinks truck. All right, so I'm going to pull it out, a little casing right there. And there it is. This is the light bulb right here. The LED light bulb, okay? It's a 15 watt light bulb, but it gives out the 1100 lumens, all right? Just regular light bulb. All you have to do is just screw it in, and voila, it works. Now that's the unboxing of this Refresh LED light bulb. Let me know what your experiences are with this light bulb. If you like it, do you not like it? Do you wish we'd go back to the old power-consuming light bulbs? Let me know. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to give me a like. Thanks.